this is Mike Selinsky of Colorado Forge. I have a few short clips here of forging some components for a chandelier. The first we're going to be doing is making a ring on the press, forging press, showing you here the fixture, and now we're putting the first piece of plate, which is a 3/4 inch thick by 4 inches wide. We've marked out the plate every 1.5 inches, and that's where we increment it down to give us the radius that we want, which is a 3-foot radius on this particular piece. Here we're checking the radius as we move it around. Lay the part on the bench and make sure it fits into the parameters that we want, that we have drawn on the bench, and make sure that it's flat. Here we're cutting the sections that we had bent in the first video. We're just cutting them at 90-degree sections. We have them laid out here on the floor. Each section weighs about 40 pounds. We're stick welding them together. We'll grind them, and then we're finished with this particular part of the operation.